I got monetized on YouTube. It's the 29th of Jan and it's 7:50 in the morning and I've just woken up because I wanted to see if it's been monetized. I'm clicking the monetization now and for some annoying reason my Wi-Fi is going so slow. Alright, we're waiting for it to load. It should be up. Buds is waiting patiently. Okay, we're monetized. Apply now. So now I have to apply for the... How exciting! Hello guys, as you would have seen from that video, I got monetized on YouTube. When I started my channel back in April 2020, I started it basically because it was something that I always wanted to do, but I never had the time to do it. And it started in a kind of interesting way because it basically started because of COVID. If COVID didn't happen, I would never have had the time to follow a dream and start my YouTube channel. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that one of my goals when starting my YouTube channel was to get monetized. I originally set the goal for 12 months, so that would mean that I had to get monetized by April 2021. And then things were tracking really well, so I thought, you know what, my next goal is going to be get monetized by the end of 2020, so December 31st. Now, I didn't hit that because I ended up creating a balloon course, so I was super busy and I didn't get a chance, but as you would have seen from the other video, I got monetized. Now, I'm going to go into my YouTube analytics on my phone in YouTube Studio, and I'm going to tell you how much I've earned. Now, I want you to note, I actually haven't uploaded in over 45 days. That's awful, and that's not what I wanted my channel to be. I wanted it to be more regular with like weekly uploads. However, my current estimated revenue, so I think this has been for 4 days. So I've been monetized for 4 days, $6.65. I don't know if you can see that. It'll be back to front. I'll screenshot it and insert it so you can see it, but $6.65 is my estimated revenue for I think 4 days being monetized. Honestly, the best money I have ever made. And now I really want to focus on putting more content out. I'm much more organized with my timing, my schedule, all of my workload. So if you do have anything you're wanting to see more of my channels, do you want more business content? Do you want more vlogs? Let me know kind of what you're wanting to see and I will definitely post them. I posted one recently about my TikTok. So TikTok has been one of the most phenomenal things for my YouTube channel, and I'll get to that in a bit. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see that I share a lot of my YouTube story on my Instagram stories. If you're not already following me, here is my account. Jump over and give us a follow. Now, when it comes to YouTube, I have mentioned before, I did a whole series on like if I was starting a YouTube channel, what to do. So I spoke about like the different programs that I use, how to market yourself, and how to get new views. I would highly recommend everyone start a TikTok account. And the first thing that anyone asks when they say, what do I even post on TikTok? What are you posting on YouTube? Make it relevant. So on my YouTube, I post about like my businesses. I post my daily vlog type stuff, a day in the life of a balloon business owner. That's exactly what I post on my TikTok as well. I share snippets of my life. I really don't have like a niche. And I know that kind of goes against the grain of what everyone says, but I get bored very easily. And if someone tells me, okay, Celia, you can only share business content, I'll start to hate it. So that's not what I do. I share little snippets of everything that I do, and I love it. What I find really interesting is I'm in a few different YouTube tips and tricks like groups where it's like support groups for other YouTube creators. And there are people that have been doing YouTube for 2, 6, 12 years that haven't been able to get monetized. And I definitely put my monetization down to a few things, and I'm going to share them with you now. 100% it is TikTok. I feel like TikTok has been amazing for my YouTube channel. If you saw my last video, I now have over 660,000 TikTok followers, which is insane. And in my TikTok bio, I have my YouTube link, so very easily people can just click on that and go. And in a couple of videos a month, I will mention, and to be honest, I don't even know how often I do it. It's very rare. I will mention, oh, I just uploaded a new YouTube video, or if I'm doing a balloon arrangement on my TikTok, because I have a balloon business, I'll link it up here. I will mention, oh, if you want to know how I started this business, here's the link to the YouTube video that I created on this. So TikTok, start a TikTok account and just start posting things that are relevant to your YouTube channel that you can refer stuff to. What I don't recommend doing is if you get on TikTok and you start pushing people to go straight to your YouTube in every single video, it's not going to work. Like, you want to build a following around you, and this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to build a personal brand. I wanted to be able to work with brands, I wanted to create content, and I wanted it to be all around me. So that's what I do on TikTok. It's what I do on YouTube. If people want to see more of me, they've got those options, and they can also come to my Instagram. Another tip that I shared in my YouTube videos a little while ago was that if you're just starting out, do not tell your social media following, regardless of its size. Do not tell them straight away. What I did is, I think I had around maybe 1,000 Instagram followers at this stage when I first started YouTube, and I probably created, I think, around 8 videos before I put it on my Instagram stories, before I posted on my Instagram feed, because what I wanted was that when they found out, I knew there would be people that are interested in my story. I was sharing a lot about my businesses, my daily life, my income goals, all of that sort of stuff. I knew that it would be clickbait for people. I knew that people wanted to go and see this stuff. But I also knew that a lot of people would stay on and watch other videos. And the whole part about getting monetized is having people on your videos watching as much as they possibly can. So if you do this big like hype up, like, oh, I'm doing YouTube, I've got my first video out, great, they're gonna go watch one video, but there might not be that hype the next time you do it, and the next time and the next. So what I did, wait until I had 8 videos, said, I'm doing YouTube, this is something I've always wanted to do, if you'd like to see them, go see them, and then at the end of your videos you can add an end card where you can show your other videos. So I definitely saw, once I waited that time and then told it on my Instagram, I saw a lot more views coming in. So I would definitely recommend that. TikTok, and if you're just starting out, don't announce it straight away. Get a few videos out, get familiar with the process, like, yeah, that's what I would recommend first. Something else I wanted to mention quickly, which I feel like a lot of new YouTubers don't realize, is obviously the goal for me was to get monetized, right? A lot of people want to make money from YouTube. 2 things. Firstly, you can make money from YouTube before being monetized on YouTube, and I definitely found this. Brand deals is one, affiliate links, having a platform to advertise a course, that's definitely what I did, and it's definitely worked for me. You can make money just from having a YouTube without being monetized. If you want to know more about that, let me know and I can do like a bit of a story time, because it was amazing. The fact that I was earning money from social media and having platforms, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, before I monetized on YouTube, like, amazing. The other thing that I wanted to mention is that when you get monetized, as you would have seen from the start, $6.65 or whatever I've earned in 4 days is around $2 a day. So I'm not making bank on YouTube, and I didn't plan on it. All I wanted was to hit that milestone and have some passive income coming in. Now, when I say passive, obviously I'm still uploading and creating content, but if I decided today I don't want to upload another single video, I want to quit YouTube, I would still make money from those old videos, getting views, and that would be passive. The more videos you put out, the more money you have potential of earning, but I love the whole process of YouTube. The thing that I did want to mention though is that obviously getting monetized and not earning a heap of money kind of might be disheartening, but don't be. A lot of YouTubers, and I've watched so many videos where people talk about this, is that they actually earn a lot more money from their affiliates, from sponsored content, brand deals, absolutely everything else. Usually the YouTube AdSense income is like the lowest form of income for them, but it's still income. While I was editing this video, I realized it's actually a couple of weeks after I did the filming for this video, but I wanted to give you an update and show you what I've earned since. So here I am into my YouTube analytics. If I click on here, I'm going to go to my estimated earnings, and I'll be able to show you a day by day if it lets me click it. There we go. A day by day. Now there is a date here, I think it's the 8th, where the 7th or 9th of the data is temporarily available. But I have brought out a few extra videos. So when I first got monetized here on the, I think it must have been the 28th of Jan, You can see I was earning around $1, and then it spiked up to $3, and then it went around the $2 mark, and then I brought out another video recently and it got up to $4 and then $4.70. So it fluctuates quite a bit, but it's so interesting, and I just love that I can keep putting content out and can be earning, even though it's a small amount of money. You've got to start somewhere. So currently up the top you can see that my AdSense account is waiting for my PIN code to be mailed to me, so I'm waiting to get that in the mail. Hopefully that comes soon. But my channel's doing really well. We're getting a lot more views, my watch time's gone up, and I'm constantly growing in subscribers. Even if it is just a couple a day, it is growing, which is so good. Anyway, back to the video. Wherever you are in your YouTube journey, don't give up. There was a reason you started YouTube, whether it's something that you've always wanted to do, or all of a sudden you're like, you know what, I want to start a YouTube channel. Just don't give up. I absolutely love doing YouTube. I find it really fun, really enjoyable. At the start it was really hard because you're learning a lot of new things. You're learning about cameras and editing and uploading and thumbnails and all that sort of stuff. But it's so much fun, and if you do want any help with your YouTube channel, definitely check out my 3-part series that I did. I will link it in the comments. You'll be able to see all of that there. And if you do have any questions, leave it in the comments below. But I do just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has not only supported me by watching videos and whatnot, but message saying that they love my content. I get messages on Instagram all the time being like, hey, I've just watched this YouTube video, and then they'll have a question about it, and that just makes me feel so good that people are finding my stuff and finding value in it. So yeah, don't give up on yourself. If it's something you've always wanted to do, go and do it, because you just never know where it's going to end up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.